Hello everyone. Want to lower your property taxes in Texas? Applying for a homestead exemption can save you money. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the step by step on how to apply. So let's get started. So a homestead, let me go to this one. So a homestead exemption reduces the taxable value of your home, lowering your property taxes. To qualify, you must own the home, use it as your primary residence, and have a Texas driver's license with the same address. All right. So then you need to complete form 50-114. This form right here, form 50. Let me go to zoom in. So you need to fill out this form. All right. This is a quite large form. Let me scroll it down. You can find this on their official website here, or just Google it and this will come right up. Or I'll just paste a link in the description below. If not, leave a comment and I'll make sure to put it down here. So this is the form here. I'm going to fill it with all the details. And then once you've completed the form, submit it to your county for appraisal district. To your county appraisal district, sorry. And you can mail it or in some cases apply online. Like this. See, as you can see, you can apply online, you can write here, something like that. So this is an editable form. You can just fill it out and send it. Now, if you want to know how to fill this out, this will be a quite big. So let me just paste this link in the description here. And this is how you fill out the form, right? Make sure you take your time and read all the sections here and fill it out accordingly. All right. And if you have any questions, you can also leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. The form is quite easy to fill out, so there is nothing complicated or fancy. Now, there is also, okay, about fees, right? So there's no fee, all right? Applying is totally free and takes just a few minutes. But do it carefully and you can save thousands over time. Like you can, for example, exemption is 100,000 school tax exemption and more. You can see, as you can see here, there's also 20% localization after 200,000 homestead and more. Just go over this article here and you will see everything, like how much you can save, who can qualify, and what you need to do. I won't make this very long. I'll give you all the links and all the details you need. Take your time, do your research, and do it yourself.